Yay! Here's to another episode of Cook With Me. This time I'm going to make my Jajangmyeon, or Korean Chinese black bean noodles. This is my second favorite noodle dish, second only to pad thai. These are the ingredients we'll be using today. Go ahead and take a screenshot so that you can use it for reference later. First, I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil in a non-stick pan. Once that's hot, you're going to add and saute your pork meat for just a couple of seconds, because then we are going to now add the chopped potatoes, because you want to be able to cook those two together. At this point, we're going to make sure we brown the pork just a little bit, not too much, because we're going to continue to cook it in the sauce later. Add your white or yellow onions. The more onions, the better, I say, because next we're going to add some green onions. Give it a chance for all of those to come together and make a really sweet, delicious base for our black bean sauce. And after we allow the onions to sweat a little bit, we're going to add the garlic, and this is going to smell amazing in the kitchen. I can already smell this video as I'm doing this recording. Super excited. I'm actually going to make this in a little bit, but I'm going to do without pork and see how that goes, because my brother is vegetarian and hopefully it's fine. It tastes great. And now we're going to add the black bean paste. This stuff is kind of sticky. It's very concentrated. That's why we have to cook it down and mix it into the moisture. Oh, don't forget the brown sugar. Add a little bit of sweetness. I added just a little bit more oil so it'll be easier to mix around. Now I'm going to cook the paste into the rest of the ingredients. It's going to be a little bit sticky at first, but it starts to loosen up a little bit with all the pork fat that's already in there. It's starting to look like it's coming together now. I love how the onions kind of stand out there. Ooh, that looks good. Now at this point, we're going to add half of the water. We're going to cook it down a little bit. Put it on a low fire there and kind of mix it in. Bring it to a low simmer here. And at this point, we're actually going to mix the remaining half of the water with the cornstarch. Now this is going to be the thickening agent. You never want to mix cornstarch directly into your dish. You always want to combine it with water. I'm going to mix that together really quick and then come right back and add that right into the pan. Break that down and saute it nice. That looks good. Jesus, this is delicious. Koreans know what's up. At this point, we're going to bring it to a low simmer again for 15 to 20 minutes. Let that come together and thicken a little bit. At this point, you're going to prep your noodles. It's usually like boil it in water for 5 minutes. Here comes the final stir. Make sure to mix that all up nice and well together. It's oh my god, it looks so good. Look at that. Oh yeah, a little bit of close up here, just waiting for it to focus. Glistening. Now I've prepped my Korean fresh cut noodles in my pasta pan here, pasta bowl. Gonna spoon that right over the noodles. This stuff is so good. I know I sliced my cucumbers all ugly, but it's supposed to be like matchstick slices. Can't forget the sesame seeds, just to complete that look. And well, you're gonna want to mix this all together while it's still warm, because it's kind of like sticky. Oh my god, it's almost the grand finale. Here you go. You got your jajangmyeon, your black bean noodles. So good, so sticky. I can slurp this up and I don't know, there's something about this dish where I can't just stop eating it. I have to eat a whole bowl of it. And it's best served with a side of pickled radish to kind of break that black bean consistency. Anyway, thank you all for watching today. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.